Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix not receiving game invites on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here in the right, you're gonna find your game library. Right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of your installed games and apps on this device. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and lastly here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, if you want to fix not receiving game invites on the PlayStation 5, first of all, go to settings. And then once you do that, go ahead and search for notifications. It will be here in the bottom. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And then once you do that, right here, you're gonna find a loud pop-up notification. If it's disabled, make sure you enable it. Also enable show preview, play sound, if you want to play a sound when notification pops up. Also right here, you're gonna find display time. So just set it on default. And right here also you can set notification when friends go online, friends that notify you. Here you're gonna find game invitations. Make sure you enable all of these four so you have it on always show. And then once you finish, just go back and right now you should receive your game invite. So basically guys, this is it. This is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.